a superstar. Hostire! Hostiro! Hostire! Hostiro! Beke, beko! Beke, beko! Beke, beko!
Beke Beku, Train Beku, echoed Aleem and other bunch of people as they stepped on to a successful rail yatra, demanding the government for a dedicated suburban train for Bengaluru. A dedicated suburban train would mean the near end of Bangalore's traffic problem with its carrying capacity of more people at a point of time. Aleem was a part of the core team of Citizens for Bengaluru, a citizen pressure group that has worked on multiple such initiatives such as Nadayalu Bidi, a campaign for walkable footpaths and pedestrian crossing, Chukubuku Beku, Namma Samiti Namagagi, a campaign that brought back the ward committee meetings to mainstream in Bengaluru. This was the start of many more things to come. Aleem was born in a Malabar Muslim family of Abdul Rahim and Sainaba EP. He has 3 siblings. Elder sister Amira is married and has 2 daughters. Elder brother Abdul Aziz is working in ANZ Bank as senior analyst. Younger brother Abdul Azim works in Myntra as a software engineer. Aleem finished his BTech in Computer Science at the Maharaja Institute of Technology and graduated in 2015. Aleem is a passionate programmer, a web developer, and has won many hackathon competitions in his college, including winning the first place twice in Microsoft Advantage Japan, India's largest youth hackathon. Aleem was awarded the Budding Star Award by his first employer, TechGenie. With his passion to serve the neighborhood, he formed Karamog, a consortium of 10 apartments on Kanakpura Road. Through Karamog, he led the protests for basic amenities, traffic and garbage awareness, plantation drives, etc.
Not only participates in ward committee meetings, but is the fulcrum of getting people here together.
Protests for basic infrastructure yielded results in just 1 year, with the government allocating budget of 20 crores for fixing of roads and footpath. In 2019, the extended version of Karamog, called the Changemakers of Kanakpura Road Association or CMKRA, was launched, which is a consortium of about 80 apartments or resident welfare associations. Through CMKRA, lots of initiatives including a dedicated ambulance for the residents, a 12-kilometer cycling lane from Department of Urban Land and Transport, and lot of other initiatives were taken. When the government proposed a tree park of more than 400 acres at Thurahalli Forest, understanding that this project may damage the ecology of the forest, Aleem and his team at CMKR quickly swung into action and mobilized more than 5,000 residents to stop the construction of the tree park. Government was shocked to see the scale and magnitude of this protest. The project was immediately scrapped, considering the resistance of the citizens. This is one of the historical movements with regards to environment for the state and country. To dedicate more time to social activities, Aleem has quit from his work and spends full time into social activities. He is also pursuing his LLB at the Al Amin College of Engineering. Aleem started his journey at Rotary in 2019 in Rotary Bengaluru Vidyapita Club. He, along with Rotarian Sudhakar and others, formed a new Rotary Club at Kanakpura Road in the year 2020. He served as a secretary for the club and now taking over as the president. Aleem has been recognized several times for his achievements.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಮಣಿವಣ್ಣನ್, ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಲಿಮ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವೇವ್ 1 ಮತ್ತು ವೇವ್ 2 ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈಸ್ ಅ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇಡ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ as the president of Rotary Bangalore Kanakpura Road. Congratulations to him, his team and all of you for selecting the right person. My best wishes to the team, and I hope that your team will be able to do lot more good work than in the past, and all the best wishes to you. Thank you very much.
Mr. Alim, President of Change Makers of Kanakpura Road and President Designate of Rotary Club Bangalore Kanakpura. I am extremely happy that Mr. Alim is getting a bigger responsibility in reaching out to the last person to the last row. In fact, I see this gentleman to be very, very passionate, very hungry to bring changes, bring smiles in Aam Aadmi basically. So the Seva Sindhu team of Government of Karnataka always cherish the support of Mr. Alim and his enthusiastic team in effective implementation of Janasevaka in his operational area. Janasevaka, as you know, it's aimed at delivering citizen-centric services at the doorsteps of common man. Mr. Alim, ever smiling Mr. Alim and his team always supported us, and to be very frank, I could feel his heart beating for citizens' welfare all the time. So I am sure this Mr. Alim is going to achieve big success in this big responsibility and venture, and may God bless him. Thank you so much.